Hello and welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy process on how to hide Mobile Legends online status. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're online on Mobile Legends, then you'll be able to see the online status located on the right hand side of the screen. All of your friends will be able to see you online if your online status is on. If you want to hide your Mobile Legends online status so that no one else can see you when you're online or your in-game match status, then all you need to do is to tap on the toggle button where it says online and you'll be able to turn off your online status on Mobile Legends. That way, you'll be able to hide your Mobile Legends online status from your friends or your followers. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.